welcome to Kayleigh Ashworth Photography. Come on in and let me show you around our studio. We are a full-service boutique studio located in Old Town Marietta. And just some of the benefits of booking with us is that we do provide a safe and personalized experience. With absolutely everything you could ever need for your sessions, including gowns for mom and newborn props. A client lounge where you can sit and relax during your session. And we even have a private restroom, so you never have to leave the studio. Ultimately providing you with a clean and private experience. Thank you for considering Kayleigh Ashworth Photography to capture this amazing time in your life.